Hello once again, this is Teacher Mel, your math tutor. We are now on the 5th week lesson for the 3rd quarter. I'm here again to teach you how to calculate and solve word problem involving speed, distance, and time. So sit back, manood, mag-enjoy at makinig sa video lesson na ito. Halika, atin nang simulan! What is speed? Speed is the distance traveled per unit of time. The speed of a car tells us how fast or how slow it is traveling. To illustrate the meaning of speed, observe the motion of the two cars below. Which car runs fast? Correct. It is car A. Which car runs slow? Very good. It is car B. If there is no motion, there is no speed. What is distance? Distance is the total length between the two positions. The length between the house and the church is the distance between the two objects. We also have the distance between the house and the school. Using the number line below, can you measure the distance between the house and the church? Express your answer in kilometer. How many kilometers between the house and the church? Very good. It is 5 kilometers. What about the distance between the house and the school? Yes, you are right. It measures 9 kilometers from the house to the school. Let us proceed to time. What is time? Time is the measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continue. The car moves towards the school. The motion of the car started. Time also started. Seconds that it traveled from house to school. Very good. It takes 5 seconds to travel from the house to the school. 5 seconds indicate the time traveled from the house to the school. To familiarize the terms commonly used for our topic today, here are the list of units commonly used for speed and their abbreviation. For the distance, we have the miles, kilometers, meters, feet, and centimeters. For times, we also have hours and another hours. We also have the seconds, and for the speed we have the miles per hour. If you noticed, speed is a combination of the distance and time. Miles per hour, kilometers per hour, then you have meter per second, feet per second, centimeter per second. We also have the abbreviation of miles per hour. You have mph. For kilometers per hour, can be also be km/h or kph. And for the meter per second, ms or m per sec. Then feet per seconds, feet per sec. For centimeter, we also have centimeter per second or cms. So these are the terms commonly used in finding the speed and their abbreviation. Let us do some practice exercises. Using the formula above, the taken triangle, we substitute the percentage base in the rate with DST. D for distance, S for speed, and T for time. To find the distance, just multiply the speed and the time. To find the speed, just divide the distance over the time. To find the time, just divide the distance over the speed. Same formula in finding the percentage, base, and rate. Now, we are going to complete the table below to find the missing number. I will give you 3 minutes to answer this practice exercise. Just pause this video while answering. After 3 minutes, play it again for your answer. Are you ready? Timer starts now. Let us now reveal the answer for number 1. The missing is the distance. To find the distance, just multiply the speed and the time. So let us multiply 15 by 2. The answer is 30. The unit is in kilometer. Just cancel the h. Because we're talking about the distance, the unit is in kilometer. Letter B. Again, we are to find the distance. So the same, just multiply 70 by 4. The answer is 280 and the unit is in meter. Just cancel the minutes. For letter C, we are asked to find the speed. To find the speed, just divide the distance over the time. So the distance is 210 divided by 3 hours. The answer is 70 kilometer per hour. We are using the kilometer per hour for the speed. So letter D, the same. We're asked to find the speed. Just divide 250 by 5. The answer is 50 meter per second. For letter E, we're asked to find the time. To find the time, just divide the distance over the speed. So let us divide 2,200 divided by 44. The answer is 50 seconds. And the last number, to find the time, divide 400 kilometer by 80 kilometer. The answer is 5 hours. Did you get the correct answer, kids? Congratulations! We are now on problem solving involving speed. Lori started biking at 8:15 a.m. By 10:15 a.m., he had cycled a distance of 54 kilometers. Find the average speed per hour. To solve the problem, we should follow the steps in solving problem. Number 1 is to understand the problem by looking at the given information. The given information is the distance is 54 kilometers and the duration of time is 15 to 10:15 in the morning. And we are asked to find the average speed of Lori. The second step in solving problem is to plan what to do. From the given information, only the distance is given. So we are asked to find first the time, so that we can find the speed. So there are two steps to perform for us to get the correct answer. The first is to find the duration of time. And then since the time is already known, we can now determine the average speed of Lori. For planning, let us now execute the plan. Let us now solve. How many hours between 8:15 to 9:15? Correct. 1 hour. From 9:15 to 10:15 is another 1 hour. So therefore, the duration time is 2 hours. Since the time is already known, let us now determine the speed by dividing the distance over the time. Therefore, 54 km divided by 2 is 27. So the speed of Lori is 27 kilometers per hour. To check your answer is correct, we have to work backward using the unknown number a while ago. We are going to determine the time spent by Lori in biking. To look for the time, divide the distance over the speed. The distance is 54 divided by the speed, which is 27. The answer is 2 hours. Then let us check if the given distance is correct. Let us multiply the speed and the time. The speed is 27 times the time, which is 2. And then the answer based on the problem is correct. Problem number 2. A truck and a van left town A for town B at the same time. The truck traveled at an average speed of 45 km per hour and reached town B 2 hours later than the van. The distance between the two towns was 180 kilometers. What was the average speed of the van? Let us now understand the problem using the given information in the problem. The given are truck and van traveled at the same time from town A to town B. The truck traveled the average speed of 45 kilometers per hour and reached the town B 2 hours later than the van. The distance between two towns was 180 kilometers, and we are asked to find the average speed of the van. Let us do the planning first. We are going to find the time taken by the truck. Because the distance and the speed of the truck are given, it is easier for us to find it. To find the time, use the formula distance over the speed. Next is to find the time taken by the van. So that would be easier for us to find the average speed of the van. So in this problem, there are 3 steps to perform to solve the problem. Now, let us execute our plan. Let us start finding the time spent by the truck. Use the formula time is equals to distance over the speed. Just substitute the distance from the given problem is 180 and the speed is 45 kilometers. Then divide. The answer is 4 hours. Time spent by the truck. The next is to find the time speed by the van. We all know that the van reached town B 2 hours later than the van. So let us subtract 4 hours with 2 hours. The answer is 2. This will be the time spent by the van. So to find the speed of the van, using the formula, the distance over the time, 180 divided by 2, The speed of the van is 90 kilometers per hour. Let us now check if our answer is correct. Using the unknown numbers a while ago, the time taken by the truck is unknown. To find the time taken by the truck, just divide the distance over the speed. So the distance is 180 kilometers divided by 45 kilometers spent by the truck. The time spent is 4 hours. And then, let us find the distance, the total distance traveled by the truck. So, to find the distance, the formula is multiplying the speed by the time. So, the speed of the truck is 45 kilometers per hour and spent 4 hours. Then, multiply 45 times 4, the answer is 180 kilometers. Based on the problem, our answer is correct. Problem number 3. The solving problem involving time. Megan walks 1,100 meters from her home to the supermarket. Her average speed was 55 meters per minute. Megan left her home at 9:30 a.m. At what time did she reach the supermarket? To solve the problem, let us understand. Based on the given information, which is the distance 1,100 meters and the speed is 55 meters per minute, and then she left home at 9:30 a.m. And we are asked to find the problem, which is what time did she reach to the supermarket. Let us now do the planning. Using the given information in the problem, first, let us find the time taken by Megan from home to the supermarket. Using the formula, time is equals the distance divided by the speed, and then add the answer to the time Megan slept at home to arrive at the correct answer. Let us now solve the problem. Following our plan a while ago, let us find the time taken by Megan from home to the supermarket using the formula for time, which is distance over the speed. The distance from the home to the supermarket is 1,100 meters divided by 55 meters per minute. The answer is equals to 20 minutes. To reach the supermarket, Megan should have to walk 20 minutes. If she started walking at 9:30 plus 20 minutes walking time, she would be able to reach to the supermarket at exactly 9:50 a.m. To check our answer is correct, let us find the distance from home to the supermarket, which is unknown in the problem. To find the distance is equals to speed times the time. Then substitute the formula with the given number. 55 meters times 20 is equals to 1,100 meters. To check the time is correct, from the answer 9:50 a.m., subtract 20 minutes, the answer is 9:30 a.m. Based on the problem, our answer is correct. That's all for today's kids. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video lesson. This is Teacher Mel saying, the more you practice, the better you'll be. The harder you train, the great in you they'll see. Bye!